Harbor is an API-based on and off-ramp service. In addition to standard web APIs, we fully support the Stellar SAP specifications. This makes Harbor one of the few anchors that can support United States bank accounts on and off-ramp within the Stellar ecosystem. From day one, compliance has been our top priority. Harbor is deeply integrated with Stellar. This allows wallets and dApps to integrate quickly and go live with minimal effort. With Harbor Anchor, developers don't have to worry about complex payment flows or regulatory requirements on their own. With support for SAP 24 Anchor Flow, developers can quickly enable full on and off-ramp on Stellar. In the United States market, funds can move directly between USDC and USD, using a bank account without relying on additional intermediaries. Harbor also includes a complete built-in KYC process. You don't need to collect, manage, or store user data yourself. You can meet compliance requirements while staying focused on your product and user experience. It all comes down to one simple idea. We handle the hardest and most time-consuming parts, so you can go live faster and start running your business on Stellar with confidence.